Hey guys, I'm Gamer Mate, welcome back to a new video. So I'm here inside my simulator part 7. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make it so in your shop then you can buy one item and then it replaces your old one. And then also when you try and buy the door, then it'll have a little GUI appear saying are you sure you want to buy the door. So let's get into the video. Okay, so first thing what you're going to be doing is the shop. So if you find our GUI, so I've already got this written out but I'll just show you what I did. First thing, inside serve storage, I added in a folder, and then just named it item storage, spelled like this. So capital I for item, and then S for storage, also capital. So close it off now. Also there's nothing inside of it, so just make sure that's in serve storage. And then if you go into your shop frame, make that visible for a second. So inside the buy button, so inside buy item 1. So this is all the same, the only thing is on line 8. Then I added this in, so player, wait for child, and then backpack, so this is replaced backpack, and then dot wait, and then dot parent, so this changes the parent to server storage. But then if we do dot item storage, so then now this puts it inside the item storage folder. So if we close it off, that works. And then if we go into our buy item 2 script, you can see on everything's the same, but on line 8 once again it says player, wait for child, backpack, so it's again, this is replace backpack to item 1. So then this sees if the item 1 is actually in the backpack, and if it is, then it'll put the item 1 inside serve storage. But once again, if we do dot item storage, so now this will just put item 1 and the normal weight inside of the folder. So if we close it off, and then if we close the frame, and then if we play it, to test it out. So now if we go to shop, so I've started off with 100 coins. So if we click item 1, you can see this still works. The GUI closed. So if we click it and we buy, and nothing happens. So if we close it off and try it again, let's see what's wrong about it. So item 1, so this is all fine. Let's see what it's like without the serve storage folder. Okay, so that's wait. Okay, let's test out one more time. And then if we go over to shop, click buy. Okay, so this time it works. So if you do have a folder, then it might glitch, so sorry about that. And the same with this one, then it'll replace that. So yeah, that works. So I guess we don't really need the folder. Okay, so if we save that a second. Okay, so now that works, we just close that. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is fixing this door. So when you actually try and buy it, then they'll say, are you sure you want to buy this? So if we add in a screen GUI, I will name it to door. Inside of it we can add in a frame, and then we can change the size. So something about put it about here. So we have room for buttons saying like yes, no, and then text. And then we can just keep this as frame. And now if you add in a text label, so this will be the title saying like purchase door. So I'm actually going to give this a border so you can actually see a bit better. So let's do it of size of 5. That might look a bit better. There you go, let's try that. And then I'm just going to change colour to like a blue, as well as this background. And then let's find a nice colour for the border. Okay, let's see this. Okay, so this will be our main GUI, what appears. So let's rename this text label to title. Right, now let's change the text. So text scales, the font, colour. We also can give it a outline. So now we can change the text to purchase Did I spell that right? No. Purchase. And then door. So now this is our GUI. All we need now is the buttons and then the description. So we can copy and paste this title, drag it down to about here. Let's remove the border because you don't need that. Let's put it here so you can actually still see this one. And let's do some bring forward buttons. And then if you change the name of it to description or desk for short. And then let's add in 2 text buttons about the size of let's put it here. Let's change colour. Let's change it to this green. And then the font. So this will be yes. And the viewer will say no. So yes. Or we can actually change it to like confirm. So it looks a bit better. And then duplicate that. And then put it on the other side. And change the text to cancel. And change the background to red. So now if we change this to cancel. And then confirm. There we go. So now we have this. Then if we get this script from the door. So if we just so yeah, I just made this a backup in case we needed it. So if we copy this script. So select all and then Control C. And then inside of the confirm button, add in a local script so this only opens for one person. Okay, so if you do script.parent.mouse button one click, connect function, and then if we do script.parent.mouse button one, not mouse button one, if we do .visible equals to false, so that should make the frame invisible. So I'm going to find the sound for this. So if we if we search for coin, okay, let's hear some. Turn the volume up so you can hear it. Okay, so I'm just going to use this coin sound, if you can hear it. So then if you just put that inside of the confirm button. And then if we do script.parent.coin and then :play with 2 brackets. And then if we do game.workspace.map1.door, so door 1. So this will be your first door. And then .transparency equals to 0.5. And then if we do the same, so if you do game.workspace.map1.door1.canCollide this time equals to false. Then if we wait like 5 seconds or 2 seconds, how long should it be open for? Let's do 2 seconds. And then if we do the same, so if we just copy paste this, so select Control C and then paste with Control V. Instead this time we could do 1.5 because this is the original transparency, and instead of false we could do true. So then at the top we could do local player equals to game.players.local player. So if we go back down to line 13, then we could do player.leaderstats.cache.value equals to player.leaderstats.cache.value again. But this time if we do value and then minus, let's try 10 for now just to test it. And then if you test that, so close it off and play. So then once we play, then it should, when we click confirm, then it should disappear and play that sound. So you can see we can't enter it. Then if you click confirm, you can hear the sound play. and then it takes away 10 cash, and we can't go back through. Okay, so now we're going to make it so you can actually, okay, so now I'm just going to make it so the door stays open, so you don't have to buy it twice. So find your door frame, then go to your confirm button, open up the script, and instead of making it go back to can collide to true and then for null transparency, we can just remove this as well as the weight. And then this should be it. So we'll close off that script and click play. So now we're in, you can see this pops up, click confirm, and it stays open forever. Now this only works for you, so no one else can go through. If you don't know how to test it with 2 players, then go to the test window, change this to as many players as you want, and then click start. Okay, and guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. Also make sure to check out my Roblox group and Discord server, also in the description, and I'll see you later. Bye!